Why did the bear fail his exams? Because you can't go into the testing center in bare feet.
Hi. Hi, what's your name?
Agatha?
Agatha?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. I'm a professor of philosophy.
Okay.
I'm going to give you your motivation for the week. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here it is. A great philosopher once said, every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. So get in there and start trying.
Okay.
Everybody, in, start trying.
How did Pikachu pass finals? Pikachu didn't pass finals, he's a Pokemon.
Hey ladies, how are we doing today? Yeah. So how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. And that's how I want you guys to approach finals this week. One step at a time. If you do that, you'll do great. See you guys later. Get after it.
Why did the bear fail his final exams?
I don't know why.
You can't go into the testing center with bare feet, man.
It's a wonderful banjo, by the way.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, what's your name?
I'm Rachel.
Hi, Rachel. I'm a professor of philosophy, and I'm going to give you some motivation.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Nothing will work unless you do. Get in there and start working. Go.
So what is one thing you guys think about this week?
Yeah, I was going down because.
Well, let's try to get that one little thing better and the whole week will be better. Get out there and do it. Let's see it, ladies. Woo!
Thank you.
I was like, what are you shocking? I know. I've been like watching people do it. I was like,
How many cups of coffee does it take to get a college student through finals week?
I don't know.
It's not coffee, it's your brain that gets you through finals week.
Alright. Thank you.
Peter?
Hi.
Hi.
Did you ring the bell?
I did.
What is your name?
Rachel.
Rachel. I'm a professor of philosophy.
Nice to meet you.
I'm going to give you some philosophy to motivate you to study
Okay.
this week. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
The roots of education are bitter, but the fruits are sweet. So get in there and start studying, Rachel. Get in there.
I have to go to class.
Go to class, Rachel.
Did you hear about the snowman that tried to take final exams?
No.
His brain was a puddle by the end of it.
Wow, good one.